10, 9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5.
5,
That's fine.
4.
It's fine.
It's definitely 1 second off.
Okay. On my end, it's fine. So it's all
Yeah.
good.
Well, I know it's the sync on your side.
Yeah.
So yeah, to all the viewers, man, like just imagine we're thinking 1 second faster.
We're big brain. Hey guys, this is Lucas from Better Coding Academy. We're back again with another Manga Reader episode, and we are close. We are. And
Are
we're
we?
close
Are we though?
enough so that Patrick actually said he would use it, but he didn't use it. So, our job
Yeah.
today
Okay.
is to get it to a point where he actually will use it. So, Patrick,
Yeah.
maybe run us through, I
Okay.
guess, what do you want to change?
Okay. Look. So thanks for showing me the link. I was gonna pull it down. So I was almost pulling it down, and then I realized that it's not gonna work. Yeah.
Why?
So, so the thing is, like, I don't know what manga is updated. Like, I don't have a bookmark list or anything, right? So I know what I want to look for. But the thing is, like, I could be reading 10, 20 manga at any given time, ongoing stuff. I don't know what's been updated. Am I going to look through every, 10, 20 manga, click on it and check the latest chapter? It's not going to work. So the only way for me to use this thing is to first go to like Manga Eden, check what's latest, and then come back here, which kind of defeats the point.
Yep.
So we definitely need like something like that on this page. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I think the easiest thing, I mean, we can talk about solutions later, but we need something like that. And also of course, the actual chapter page, like the one with all the images, is not quite ready. We just like hacked it up, right? Yeah. It needs to probably like go to the next chapter, like some way of navigating between the chapters, and then it's perfect. Like I think in terms of functionality for that page. Cool.
Did I mess
So
up?
what do we want to do? Do we want to make it more usable first, or do we want to make the reading experience better? One of the two.
Okay, so we can see this first. So that's fine.
Only have time for one feature.
Yeah, but I think maybe let's talk about the thing about bookmarks. So what seems like is going on there is you need to have some sort of list, which I presume is stored locally, and then you'd be able to see when each item in that list was last updated.
You are correct. I like how you said store locally. I agree.
Because that way you don't need an account or anything.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's the philosophy, man. Lightweight. Yeah.
Lightweight,
Not stealing any of your personal information.
That's right.
Security, risk free.
Number one.
Yeah.
Always. I don't know. I'm just thinking like if we put it on this page here, would you do probably something? I'm just thinking about the flow. So say we do One Punch Man, and you might have, I don't know, like a star here, and then you can click that.
Yeah. I mean, that's pretty cool. I think we should put the star there, and we should also have a star on the autocomplete list.
Oh, there as well.
Start typing it. So like a star just to show, you need a star to show you have already favorited, right?
Right. Yep.
So it's less confusing, and you may as well make it clickable.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then I think let's just jump straight into it. Probably the best solution is I've looked at this hook and I've used this one before in the past called use local storage.
Yep.
So like you can just copy this one and it'll give you access, to a particular value in local storage.
Okay.
And then we can take that and I guess build on top of that, do like use favorited manga, which would allow us to see which one is in there and do it that way. So let's grab this hook here.
Okay.
Boom, 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 boom. That's the hook.
Isn't there an npm for this? I'm pretty sure there is. There's like a library. Okay, fine. Yeah, just
copy it. It's easier. What do you normally do? Like a helper directory, helpers / hooks.
Maybe just hooks directories.
Just hooks. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
JS, paste that in, and I like to do const. So
yeah, I was gonna complain about that too.
Some people don't like that. They like to use functions. I don't know why. I don't get it. A bunch of comments, but screw it. We'll just leave it. This should be fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
And now what I'm thinking is we take this and we build on top of it, and we make I don't know, use favorited manga.
Yeah. Before we move off, what do you think about that comment on line 11? Like, if error, also return initial value. and then it's like catch error return initial value. Like, what is the point of this comment? Like, I understand, comments are good. Say like on line 17 or something, maybe something actually matters.
Yeah.
But like line 11 is like, come on, just let me read the
A,
code.
it's a pointless comment. B, I don't agree with the philosophy. Like, why would you console log the error and then return the initial value?
Yep.
Uh,
It should be console.error maybe.
no, or
But yeah,
even
but
like
I know
if there,
like shouldn't console it. Yeah.
if there is an initial value, right? Just return it and don't error. Like that's kind of the point of initial value. But if there is no initial value, just throw the error, right? That's the way I see it.
Right. Yeah. I can see. Yeah, I can see the code. Get key item. So basically, if it's not JSON, it's messed up. Well, I guess I understand the philosophy. It's like it's not ever meant to be not JSON. Yeah. Like obviously, maybe a different hook is clashing or something like that's using the same key. But I do agree. Why would you log the error?
Yeah.
I mean, you should log the error. Otherwise, you can't debug. Or you don't know what's wrong with it since it's silently consuming it and it will just return you something.
Yeah, fair enough. Okay.
Yeah. But maybe console.log isn't the right thing.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of these comments are like these aren't production grade comments. They're like learning comments, I think.
Okay.
Like you obviously wouldn't write this. I think the idea is that because you're grabbing the hook from the internet, the assumption is that it's teaching you how to use it. So I think that's kind of the idea. But I mean, like don't if you're writing production code, this is like useless. I mean, don't do that.
Yeah. Like too many useless comments actually make it harder to read.
Bad. Wait, these are all bad. What the heck? That's bad as well. That's also bad. Because like for example, it's technically true, but
it's true.
This should be obvious to someone who knows React.
Yeah, there's no value, and also it makes you think less about your actual code and more writing comments than anything.
Exactly.
Else. Yeah.
So just increases development time. Wrapped version of useState that persists the new value to local storage. I mean, that's probably fine, but even then, it's iffy. I probably wouldn't write it honestly.
Yeah, look, I'm happy to keep it there.
Okay.
I think at least it describes the function.
Allow value to be a function, so the same API as useState. That's fine.
It's the virus, man.
It's the freaking virus.
Ooh, yeah.
Everyone's dying.
Yeah, okay. Save the... Yeah, that's stupid as well.
I'm trying to think of something funny about that. There's nothing funny. It's just like people dying.
It's just, yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah.
So...
Oh, no, I'm talking about the comment. Jeez, you're so grim.
I was talking about the virus, because you were like virus.
Yeah, but we moved on.
Well, I didn't move on, okay? I was
okay.
It's okay. Save to local storage. Yeah, it's bad. Also bad.
Yeah.
Technically true, but yeah, I mean, this kind of comment is like a to-do, right? It's like you can't be bothered to implement it, so you to do it, and you basically say, hey, future person reading this, who's probably you, upgrade this, or something like that. I mean, yeah, you can include it, I guess. It can come up as useful, but in some cases it's like, doesn't really add that much. Okay, so this seems fine to you?
Yeah, whatever, it's fine.
Okay.
Like it's just copy paste code anyway. I don't care.
Let's do use favorited manga.js. When you spell it, do you spell it using American or
American?
American, okay.
Because CSS cannot handle non-American.
True.
Yeah.
So you just go like American everything.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Okay, so something like that. Export default. This. Sweet. Okay. So probably use local storage key and then initial value. So maybe like favorited manga. Set favorited manga is use local storage. Doesn't really matter, manga, and then like that. Probably just favorited manga. And what we do is we return that. And I mean, I'm just thinking we might have like more helper functions as well.
Yeah. Do we have R, by the way, or Lodash? We have R, right?
I think we include a render. No.
Oh, okay.
We can include it.
Yeah, let's include it. Yeah, because I'm guessing what you're thinking is we want like just a simple add and remove.
Yep.
Instead of a set. Yeah. And then it should be smart enough to not double add and not double remove or something.
Yeah,
or like
render lets you do all of that, right?
Yeah, well, yeah. So yeah. Okay. So okay, what do you want for the API to be? Add Manga. Yep. Remove Manga. Okay.
And I guess like,
Are you gonna inline it? Ooh, fancy man.
does Manga exist?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Or is Manga favorited? I think is probably better.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Big brain. Okay. Alright.
Okay.
We can do that. That's probably better. Okay, let's do const add Manga. And then what's the API for art? Do you know it off the top of your head?
Yeah, I do.
Sweet.
No, I don't. So we, so I know we want to like add, but then we also want to check if it's unique, right?
Yes. There has to be a way to like push, but like with unique, right?
No, there isn't. R is way more. Whatever.
Wait, there's no push?
There's no add to.
Oh, it's append.
Append. There you go. Nice. But it's not unique though.
Okay. Ramda unique append.
I think it's 2.
2?
No, so there is like a unique function, like unique, but there's a problem with this unique function is that it's very inefficient because it's deep equals instead of like low dashes shallow equal.
I think what we can do is we use if else. I've been using a little bit of Ramda, so I know a few things here and there.
Good.
So we can do set favorited Manga.
So we can do includes.
Favorited Manga.
Yeah.
Well, r.if-else, r.includes.
Can you compose?
Do you need to?
Yeah.
Okay, let me write it first, and then we can like.
Okay.
So
yeah.
Firstly, for the Manga, we just like Manga ID or something.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So r.includes Manga ID. Then I guess r.identity. Otherwise, r.append Manga ID, like that, and then favorited Manga like that.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. If else 1 2. Okay. Fair enough.
I don't think you can compose this.
Yeah, you can. You can compose. You can definitely compose this.
Okay, how would you do that? Because it's literally one function actually.
So I mean, you can compose the. Yeah, I see what you mean. Let me check the API for if else. Can you pull that up? Yeah, so viewers can see. If else, if it has count. So the first argument, second argument, a sock1. Wait, what?
If it has
Flipped
count,
around. If it has count,
then we just increment it. Oh,
otherwise you set it to 1. Yeah, so the first one is truthy, the second one is not truthy.
Yep.
All right, cool. Let's go back to the thing. You're probably right. If it includes that, you just do the same thing. Otherwise, you'll append the Manga. Yeah, you're probably right.
Seems fine.
What you can do is you can get rid of the set favorite. Oh, I see. Now you can compose this. You can move the set favorite Manga out. So r.compose set r.if else.
Yep.
And then set favorite Manga on the second argument of compose.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Just return the function.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we can try that as well. So the other way you write it is basically you do this. You grab this section here, and then you grab that section there.
Yep.
And then you put this at the end.
Well, you don't need to put it at the end because it's already curried.
Huh?
It's already curried. Like if you get rid of the.
Yeah, but if I don't do this, how does it know what we're gonna if else?
Oh yeah, you're correct. You're right. You're right. But I think that that shouldn't be there, right? The favorited set favorite Manga. No, because the set favorite Manga needs to know the ID now, so it's not gonna work.
Does it?
Yeah, because it'll go through. Wait, it goes bottom to top, right? So take your favorite. No, compose is bottom to top for sure.
Right to left function composition. Okay, so then this one will go first.
Yeah, or you can use pipe if you want top to bottom.
Oh, so it's basically the same thing but pipe. It's the other way. Okay, that probably makes more sense then. So something like this. So the way this works is basically.
Compose, but yeah, it's fine. So yeah, go on.
Happy?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think that is better. Yeah.
So you have the way this works is you pass in favorites in Manga, and then it runs the if else, and the if else essentially what happens is
I see.
on favorites in Manga, it runs r.includes Manga ID, which basically checks if Manga ID is in there. If it
Yep.
is in there, then we do r.identity, which does
Yep.
nothing. It just returns it.
Yep.
Otherwise, we do r.append Manga ID, which adds Manga ID to the end of favorites in Manga. And then once we do that, the result of this, which is some version of favorites in Manga, either with Manga ID or just the original if it already had it, then that gets passed into set favorites in Manga, and then it gets set inside the local storage.
Yep. Yep. All right. Yeah, that makes sense to me.
Yep.
Return.
Return what?
The whole thing. Yeah.
Like
I think you want to return the result, right?
Oh, we just like do that, right?
Yeah.
What does
Yeah.
set favorites in Manga return?
The whole array.
They don't return anything.
Oh, why? Shouldn't you return the value, the resulting value? Oh, it just does void.
Then we can just do this, right? Like just return value to store.
Yeah, I'd rather return it. Yeah, because then like oftentimes you need to refresh your local storage or whatever to reflect the changes.
Yep.
Yeah, it's like.
Okay. So we do value to store, and then that allows us to do this here because this returns it.
Yep.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Okay, cool. All right. Do we need any more explanation?
No, seems good to me.
Okay, cool.
And then this one is actually quite easy to do, right?
Yeah, it just includes. I think.
Oh, wait a second.
No, it's not.
Wait, it's not?
It is. It is, but it's not.
We can do reverse.
Yeah, do you want to be fancy?
Okay, so this is firstly this is the simple way of doing it, which is we just like includes and like write a function. But we can do the big brain way, which is
what is it
Did you
called?
know that you can actually add you can add this into the name? I'm pretty sure. Like that's a valid character.
Look, I never tried, but
I'm pretty sure. Like just
do you want to leave that there? I don't want to leave that there, even if you can.
equals 5.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
can't do.
No, dude. You definitely can do emojis. I'm like, I've seen it been done before. I don't know. Whatever. Okay.
Yeah.
So const is Manga favorited equals Manga ID blah blah blah. And then the other way is Manga favorited, and we basically want the Manga ID to be passed in.
You want to.
And then we want to flip it, right?
Yeah.
So how do you do that?
There's a Lambda function. No, it's not reverse.
That's not it.
What is it called?
Because I
remember.
Yeah, I remember you done this before. Like we did this one time, right? Inverse?
Yeah. No,
No,
inverse. No, it's not inverse. Let's just Google.
It's a function, right? It's a function one.
Flip.
One of these.
It is a function one. I think.
Okay. Flip.
No.
Flip.
Oh wait.
Wait.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Really?
Where's flip? Oh, here. What? R.flip merge 3. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work, right?
Two. No, it only flips the first two.
That's fine. We only need the first two.
Fine. Yeah. I think there's a better one.
Wait, no. Even if we flip it, how do we use it?
Wait, reverse arguments order in carry function lambda.js. Okay, found it. Flip function. Okay, it looks like flip is the one.
Okay, let's have a look.
Isn't there one that does all of it?
Oh, is this the one you were talking about?
Yeah, it just tells you to use flip.
There's something called lift as well.
I mean, there's a curry right.
Oh.
Is there a curry left? Curry N. Yeah, look, let's just flip. It's fine.
Okay, so how would you do it? Because the way it needs to work is we need to pass in flipped arguments into r.includes. Correct? So the way I see it is we need to do something like r.flip,
r.flip comma, r.includes.
But we can't do r.flip straight away. Because r.flip expects a function.
No, r.flip, r.includes without the pipe.
r.flip, r.includes. And then what?
Oh, you don't need anything in it.
That's it?
Yep.
No.
Just try.
No, that...
Try. Do your unit test.
No, we don't even have favorites in Manga.
You put it into... Oh, yeah, we don't even have favorited Manga.
I know what to do. There is an underscore. So...
No, go back.
No, this is...
No.
I'm pretty sure this is how you do it. And you do favorited Manga. I think so.
But isn't includes already carried? So you can r.flip, r.includes, and then in the new parenthesis, favorited Manga, and then you're missing one argument.
Oh wait, you don't even need r.includes. Just do that. Because if you use this,
Yeah, okay.
it puts that in there.
Yeah, okay. What is this R? I've never seen it before.
This is
Geez, the current internal.
How have you not seen this? This is like homepage. Like if you click documentation, this is what shows.
Well, I just don't click on it, man. Yeah.
It's too big.
What
brain.
the hell is that? Yeah.
So if you do something like this, okay?
Yep.
And then you do like 1, 2, 3, whatever, and then oh crap. Wait, it's not. Wait, what? Oh, is R not defined?
Oh no, you have to use R. Oh, it is defined. Oh, it's a different R. Just use REPL. You can do open in REPL.
Oh, where?
In the black box.
Oh, there it is. Okay, sweet. Yeah. Okay, so grab these 2 lines and then paste those here.
Yep.
Console.log is Manga favorite head.
Oh, you don't need a console log, by the way.
Oh, you don't? Oh, sweet.
Yeah,
Okay.
it auto console logs.
Awesome. Okay,
Yeah.
true? False. Whoa, dude.
But you can do another one like is Manga favorited.
Okay. Alright, we'll do this.
Yeah.
Oh wait, Command D doesn't work. Oh, okay, cool. And how do you want it to work?
Just r.flip, r.includes, close parent. Yeah, and then just put open parentheses favorited Manga. Would this not work?
Wait, is that 1 output or 2?
That's the last output.
Oh, is
so
it?
line 8, yes.
Wait, let me just comment this out. Okay, true?
Yeah, this would also work. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no, that makes sense.
Yeah, because it's the includes function is already carried. Yeah,
So-
I mean, either one is fine. I've just never seen r dot under underscore. It just looks weird.
Okay, so the way this works is basically favorited Manga gets passed in as the first argument into r.flip thing, right? So it gets passed in as the first argument, and then the 1 gets passed in as the second, but then it's flipped around when it gets passed into r.includes. So then r.includes takes the other
Can
one.
I type on your screen? Is it possible?
Yes.
Okay.
I think, give me a second. Okay. Remote control.
It's gonna be 1 second
Alright.
lag.
There you go.
Oh, it works. Okay. So the thing is like, r.includes is already carried, right? So you can do r.includes.
Yes.
Yep. And then you can also, like that, and that'll work.
It's wrong
Like
order,
this will be
right?
false. It'll be false.
I
It's
think,
wrong
I think
order.
the number goes
It's
first.
wrong order.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's wrong order. But because we flipped it, this will be the new signature.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah. So since it's natively carried, like it's gonna work once you flip it,
Mm-hmm.
because the flip version is also carried.
Yep. So basically, we can say like r.includes 1 and then favorites and Manga. This will be true, right? So
Yep.
that will give us true. But then the other way we can write this is we can also do this. So this is called currying, where you break it up and you kind of add bits of it at a time. Not named after Curry, named after Haskell Curry, who also has his namesake for the language Haskell. So anyways, we have r.includes and you can split it up, right? And after you split it up, what you can actually do is in our signature, because we used r.flip, we pass it in the other way. So we can do r.flip, r.includes, and we'd have to pass it in the opposite order.
Correct.
So we do favorites and Manga 1, Now, what we can do is basically take this part here and turn that into a function. And then what we're left with, so if we take this part and then we call our function is manga favorited 2, we can run that on the 1. And it's just like doing that, which does the same thing.
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah. So this is good. It kind of shows the why you want to curry functions and why you want to split the arguments up. Yeah. So one thing, I mean, a little bit off tangent, but like a lot of traditional people would put the favorited manga as first argument with most of the functions. Like, you know how it's like people just write functions like that, right? It's like the set comes first and then all your parameters. Like, they don't even care about the order. But actually, the order is important. You kind of want to make it, and like, you don't have to make it immediately curryable because there's r.curry, which automatically curries your functions. But just putting the arguments in the right order makes your functions curryable in the future if you ever need to.
And that's actually really important. So the point Patrick's making is that, like, say you're writing an include function for an array, which obviously exists, but like just making the point, right? If you do includes equals and you put the array first and then the value, right? And say array.
Wait, sorry. Can we change the example? Can we just make it like is male or something? Yeah, and it accept an object which has a gender.
Okay, so something like that.
Well, this is the one. Just do is gender. Just do is gender. Sorry.
Okay, so const is gender, and the idea here is that you can do object gender, and so we do object.gender triple equals gender, right? So with something like this, if we're doing, say for example, const obj equals gender, say male, right? And if you do if you do like is gender obj male, now this seems to work fine. Now the issue Patrick's talking about is with this syntax, it's quite difficult. You can't really curry it because what you want to do, say right now I want to make a function called is male, right? I can't use is gender to do that. Like if I can do like r.curry, right? But if I do r.curry, I can't really do like is gender because I have to specify the object first. But then what we can do, really simple change, is if we put the gender first, which is like the value, the thing we're searching for first, then we can write is gender male. And we can, so just flip this one around obviously as well. So this one will still be true. But then if I comment this out and we do is male object, then this will also be true. And what we've done now is we've taken is gender and we've built on top of that and made is male.
Yep, exactly. And if you have like many curryable functions, it all kind of sits together.
Yep.
Whereas if you have one that is flipped around, it's like, well, now your chain is broken, right? Like it's very hard to compose and make higher order functions. Cool.
And this kind of stuff I think as well is like this is what I think is great about functional programming is like there is if you're doing it all yourself, it's a pain, but then Ramda just makes it so easy to like if you know what you're doing, like this kind of code, what we had before here is just like it's super clean and super nice. So we can do like r.flip, r.includes, favorited manga like that, and that's just it's super clean, super nice.
Yep, exactly. So now we actually let's get back to the code, and now we actually show you why we want to like do higher order functions.
This code or this code?
No, in our code, yes. So when we do, so now let's make add manga, right?
Okay.
Yep.
So add manga here.
Yeah, but we have to check whether or not the manga is favorited first, because we don't want to double add.
That's what we're doing here, though, right?
Yeah, but now we can use the is favorited instead.
Right, okay. So what you're saying is instead of doing this, we just do that.
Yes. So now if we change the definition of is manga favorited, it automatically reflects in add manga. We don't have to change it in 2 spots.
Yep, that's it.
Yep.
So this is kind of like it's this kind of modularity is harder to see, but these small assumptions that come into your code can cause big issues later on.
Yeah. Can you reverse the definition so it's not hoisted and stuff?
Which one?
Move is manga favorited above add manga.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah. And remove manga is pretty much the same thing.
I think if you don't put this one on top, it actually will give you an error.
Oh, okay. Oh, because it's not in global scope.
Oh wait, no, it won't because this doesn't run immediately. This runs after a while.
Yeah, it's defined after. Yeah.
But like if you do the function keyword, it gets hoisted. Arrow functions don't get hoisted. I'm pretty sure.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
So const remove manga equals something with filter probably. Okay. Filter, the value comes first and then the array. So it's kind of the same thing as is manga favorited. We do r.flip r.filter. Oh, actually, it's not that simple, but we can do favorited manga. And then do we do r.compose?
Yeah, we want to also check whether or not. I mean, we don't need to check. It will just run anyway. It doesn't matter what we
Yeah,
move
because filter
because you
is
remove
different.
all of
Yep.
them. Yeah, so it's fine. One thing is, do we want to double think the name? Should it be favorite manga and unfavorite manga, or do you want to keep
Fair.
it as add and
Yeah.
remove?
No, you're
Yeah.
right. You're right. Okay, so then we can do favorite manga, unfavorite manga.
The favorite manga.
D favorite?
No,
It's
no, no, no.
unfavorite, dude.
I'm just okay.
If,
Yeah, yeah.
if anything, it's unfavorite.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that seems
Remove
fine, right?
from favorites manga. Yeah.
This goes outside.
Yeah, it looks good. I mean, right? Normally we would unit test, but can't be bothered.
Yeah, it seems.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. All right. So we have use favorited manga written, and now, how do we even use this? Go into pages.
Yeah, homepage, I suppose.
Home. Manga. Is this the one? No. Yeah. No. Wait. Is it? It is this one. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I think first thing we want to do is to put a star icon next to the completed, so we can actually like have something to click
You
on.
mean here?
Yeah, somewhere on the right. I don't really care.
Or this side here. You can do it on the left, actually. I think left.
I think on the. I actually think on the right.
Okay.
But why? What's your reason on the left?
I don't know. It's just like it's near the name, so you're looking at it,
Sure.
and it's like
Fair enough. Okay, my reason on the right is we only show it if it's favorited. Oh, but then you can't click on it to favorite it.
yeah. I'm just thinking like either a hollow star or a non-hollow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would probably do it on the right.
Okay.
To be
I
honest.
really don't care. It's no big deal either way. So we can.
Hey, our favorite components
Dude, I
library.
freaking hate this library. I hate all of these libraries, dude. It's all your fault.
It's fine. I guarantee there's a star and a star hollow.
Yikes.
Oh,
I can read Chinese, but still, it's like
nice. Yeah, okay. Star outlined.
Yeah.
Where's the solid star?
filled.
Oh,
Two-tone.
look, this library is so good.
Okay,
Yeah.
to be completely fair, the amount of icons it has is pretty good. Like, that's a win in my books, absolutely.
Yeah, it has Chrome.
But it's very, very Chinese.
It has
oriented, as you can tell.
Alipay. Something we need.
It has WeChat, dude. Crazy.
Everything has WeChat.
QQ.
WeChat's massive.
It has QQ, man.
It has Amazon.
Alipay. Slack.
Oh, it has Slack.
Slack's blocked in China. I don't know why they have Slack. Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, what? Okay. Yeah, okay. So we want the star outline.
Yeah, sweet. Okay, no problem. So we do that, and then we grab this, and oh, how fancy. That's on home. Is it home? Search. Where's search? Oh, here.
Oh no. Why is it there?
It's not there. No, it's not there. No, it's not. It's not.
Okay,
It's,
cool.
it's the data source, which is here, which means it's this bit of code here, which means that we can probably just do that.
Yeah.
And the star outlined we get from ant design icons. So, yo. Wait, have we even included this library? I don't think we have, but we're about to find out. Okay. So it seems like we need to
It's
wait.
building.
Packaging.
building.
That's good. Not resolving. Hey.
Oh, nice. Cool.
Does exist or something.
Yeah.
So, 1.
Oh no.
Nice.
What did you do?
I don't know.
Missing props maybe.
No.
Oh
Okay,
no,
oh.
it's
Huh?
it's the element you're importing is nothing. From icons.
No way.
Star outline.
Ant design icons. Star outlined.
Yeah,
I'm
that
writing
looks correct.
Star outlined here. So,
Maybe it actually isn't included and you're parcel freaked out.
okay. Maybe. Because I definitely didn't install it. Like, there's no way I've had that. Yeah, it seems like probably just missing. Or something.
Yeah. It's probably not smart enough to do.
No, it should be. it normally does it for like it resolves everything else. Like it gives you React and React on no problem.
Okay,
So
interesting.
I have no idea why. It does pretty much everyone except this one,
My
which is
lamp
weird.
is broken, by the way.
What happened? Is the bottom dead?
No, I just hit it, and then it cut the paper diffuser.
Nice.
Yeah.
Are you gonna buy a new one?
Um. Yeah, if I can be bothered to.
How much was your original lamp?
It's IKEA. It's like 30 AUD, I think.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's a pretty cheap one. The light bulb inside it costs more than the lamp. It's a LeafX bulb.
Don't know what that is.
Those smart lights that can change color.
Oh,
Yeah, it's pretty good. I think every bulb in my room is a LeafX bulb.
is it like
Yeah.
completely color customizable?
Yeah, it is. My phone. I mean, I can show you while we are installing because your computer is so slow and your internet is so slow
My
too.
internet's not slow. It's NBN.
Look, that looks good. Why didn't I do this in the first place? My room looks way better now.
Did you change the color?
I just did.
It's like an oh,
See?
ooh.
Let me do.
It's a fancy light bulb.
See?
Alright, seems like we are
fancy.
done. See if it works.
Alright, I'll just keep it like this.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, I mean it's there. It's not centered, but we can do that. Shouldn't be a problem.
Cool.
We
Now-
have
Let's import is Manga favorited.
home search option. Wait. Slow down for a second.
Okay.
Home search option. Where do we put the styles? Do we put them here? No, we don't. That's not.
Global less.
It's so dumb. It's a freaking stupid idea, man. Okay, align items center.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we can hide this thing. And we need to grab use favorited manga. And we need to do this from SRC hooks that. And
Yep.
then we do is manga favorited.
Yeah.
So we just go here, const equals use favorited manga, like that. And we
Mhm.
grab this thing, and then we okay.
We need an ID. Which we have. The field option. There's a field.
Nah, we need to like icon component, and then do like curly braces here, curly brace there, return here,
Oh, okay.
because it's the icon, right? So we have
Oh,
to
right.
do.
It's not a prop to
Yeah.
feel it. What a crap library.
It's so bad, dude.
Yeah. Why
Is
did we
Manga
pick it
favorited?
again?
Manga.id. It's all your fault, man. If it's favorited, we do star filled.
Yep.
Otherwise, star outline.
Yeah, can we do Starfield with like yellow, man? Like we don't want it to be black.
I mean, should be able to, I think.
Yeah, it's
can-
favorited. Why is a black star not good?
Okay. So
I mean, I know we're budget UI, but it shouldn't be that budget.
the UI is too budget, man.
Yeah, getting the engineers to do the UX and UI. That's what you get.
Flip of undefined. What do we do this time?
R is undefined.
Oh, did I not? Wait, no, no.
Yeah. Your parcel is definitely messed up. It didn't install R for sure.
No, I installed R.
Oh, you did.
I did.
How can import R from RAM? That's correct.
It's not that. No, it's not.
No, it's not. Yeah.
Whatever. Let's have a look. Packaging. Okay, let's have a quick look. Seems like
Scroll
it's
up,
undefined.
Why is it? Why?
Okay. Well, seems like
What?
the only reason is that parcel is dead.
Yeah, just clean. We have to go on another tangent.
Alright, you can pick another tangent. This will take like 50 seconds.
Yeah. I heard hand sanitizers are like hard to buy in Vietnam.
Why?
People are scared of the virus.
Oh, so
I think
everyone's
Australia-
buying it.
Yeah, I think Australia is too unscared of the virus, too unafraid of the infectious disease.
What makes you say
Yeah.
that?
So on the previous day, actually, on the previous night, also known as yesterday night, we had the Mardi Gras, right? The parade. Yeah, the march of many people.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, that's a fair point. I can see
yes,
that.
and much people showed up in close proximity on the exact same street. Yeah, whereas like I heard in the computer game Counter-Strike tournament, Counter-Strike Global Offense or something tournament.
CS:GO, yeah.
Yeah, it was described as a ghost town or something, or a ghost event. So no one showed up. Probably because it was in Australia. Yeah, so we are like way too comfortable, I think.
Well, I mean, first person's died now, so
In Australia.
yeah, 78-year-old
Oh
was on the
no.
cruise ship, and why is
Ah,
it
okay.
still undefined? What? No.
Did you import a fake Ramda?
How? How? Wait, no. Is it or? It can't be. I've used this thing before.
NPM yeah, it's right. Did you spell Ramda right?
Oh, 0.25 above doesn't have a default export
Oh, since when?
since 0.25. So,
What?
there
Why
you
is it
go.
still in 0?
No idea, man. It's like Axios. I don't understand.
Yeah, why are they still in beta? They're too afraid to make it production ready.
Okay, good.
Okay, good. All right,
So,
now we gotta hook up it. Oh my god, can we center the loader? Like that is so tilting.
center it.
Yeah, make it big and then center it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Manga details. Dude, you can't make it big, man. How do you make it big?
You can.
This is so
it's
bullcrap. You
No,
can't.
man, it's possible.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, their style.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
which,
yeah, yeah. Okay, back over here. Oh my gosh. Why do you do that? Okay, cool. Yeah, see, there's a large one, but the large one is the one we have right now. It's not very
Well,
large. I'm just saying.
Well, let's just center it first and see what happens. Yeah. No. I mean, we can go into another tangent conversation. Whereas CSS names for that is bad because it's not intent.
What?
Like centered spinner is a really bad name for CSS
Why?
because it's describing the properties, not the intent.
Yeah, but the idea is that it's a reusable centered spinner container.
Well, yeah, I know, but
Okay, so then
like
what would you call it then? What would you call it?
would be like homepage spinner container or something. I don't know.
Oh, okay. So we can do manga
Yeah.
detail spinner. Sure.
Yeah. Like this is there's no description of its properties.
Let's check it here, I guess.
Yeah. We will
Alright.
not go on to the tangent because I don't care about CSS, frankly.
Padding top or padding one rem. Let's do one
Yeah.
rem, and
Yeah.
let's zoom to
Yep. Okay. 2 is not enough. Maybe like 5.
5.
10.
Okay.
Yeah. 2 would be like not that much.
4. Let's just do 4.
Okay. Let's do 4.
Is it building? Why does it take so long? Like, goodness me. Oh gosh.
Yeah. Why?
Sometimes I ask myself, like, if I get a Threadripper, will it improve my build time?
Look, if you have a normal MacBook Pro within the last 2-3 years, with the newer
that was
design,
nice.
it'll be fine.
That was nice.
I didn't see it, but
Okay,
yeah,
let's
I'll
see
see it eventually. Oh yeah, that's good.
That's
Four,
nice.
4's the right number. Okay, cool. So let's hook up the star button now. So
Sure.
we'll need it. Yeah.
So the way I think we need to do it is okay, so I think
I'm
maybe
not sure how to help.
My
anyways,
Google Home speaker just turned on by itself.
creepy, man. It's AI.
Yeah.
Maybe we have a button like we'll just have another component called like star or like favorite manga.
Yeah, like favorite star. Yeah, clickable. I don't know. Yeah, okay, I know what you mean. Like a star that can actually
Favorite
click.
button. We'll just call it favorite button.
Okay, yeah, favorite button.
Okay, something like that. And then do that.
Yeah.
And then, oh, that's good because that actually
With-
removes the hook as well
Yeah.
from this component. So
Yeah.
let's state favorite button.
Oh, but this will have to be a. Would this have to be a hook? No, it won't. Yeah, it won't.
Yeah, no, I think it should be good. Do that as well. Let's just change it back. And then we can grab that and do that. And then we can grab that and put that there. And we can grab this, save that, go here, put that there. And then we need to pass in. Do you pass in the whole Manga or just Manga ID?
We'll pass in the whole Manga. But yeah. I mean, with types, we will just accept the object with a Manga ID.
Okay. Yep.
So then you can pass in anything.
Use favorites. So it's like duck typing, as you say.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Icon component. Let's first make sure that works. It's built. Okay, let's try again. One. Oh, it broke on me. Oh, did I not import it? I think I didn't import it. So.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I did not. Okay, so grab that. Do favorite button, and build, and there we go. Refresh again. O-N-E. Cool. Okay, so now what we want to do is when you click on it, we want to accept an on-click, and we also want to stop propagation, right? So it doesn't basically
Okay.
close the upper one. So on-click,
Yep. Smart.
right, probably evt.stop propagation, console.log hello, and let's just see if that comes up here. Probably dock that to the left. Ay, what is this?
Too many use local storage re-renders.
Oh, because of all the, yeah. Okay, we can think about a way to fix that, I think.
Yeah.
Yep, so that seems fine. And I can still click here.
Yeah,
Okay.
we gotta fix that. Yeah.
So it seems like the way to fix it is to not do this here, but to do it here. And then pass down is Manga favorited. Would that be correct? Or would you just like...
Wait, what do you mean?
So this function comes from the hook.
Mm-hmm.
So if we run the hook one time in the parent and pass down is Manga favorited, that could work.
I see.
Alternatively, we have a prop called is favorited, and we calculate it in the parent.
Yeah, I see. No, let's just pass it down.
Pass what down?
The entire array. Oh,
Is Manga favorited?
yeah.
Okay. What's your reasoning for that?
Well, I don't really want to pass just a Boolean value.
You reckon
Because
that's
then,
bad?
like, you're doing, well, it's not necessarily bad, but you might be doing too much, like, I don't know, honestly. Like, the only thing then this component does is just does a switch. It's just like a switch component, right? No good.
What? Oh my, yay. I mean, hey, at least it's only a few times. I think the problem is whenever you type. Yep, so whenever you type, it adds stuff. Because the component re-renders and it runs use local storage. So it runs this, and that runs...
Okay. Yeah.
That
So
runs this.
I know the issue. If we have Redux, there won't be this issue, right? Because we will keep the store in sync
What's the
with
issue?
local storage. Yeah, like we're not gonna do it, but yeah.
No, what
like
is the
if
issue? I don't even
if
understand.
we sync, because like we keep looking at local storage over and over again, right? That's the issue. But and the local storage, like if we have the local storage synced to a Redux store, it doesn't matter how many times we connect to it, because it won't reconnect, right? Like it won't re-render if it hasn't changed. I mean, this is fine. We can just pass it down. Like, I'm not going to put it in Redux now. No point. Oh, it's still too many?
Too many re-renders. Re-renders. So it's talking about set value.
Have we done the change already?
Yeah, it's here.
It's not there.
It's there, right? We got use favorites in Manga. Okay, how many times is this rendering then? Because that kind of impacts the whole thing. Okay, so
why is it so hot in my room?
Why is it rendering 25 times?
Oh yeah, why is it rendering 25 times?
This?
The home?
Is it that? Is it really that? How many times do you render now?
25. We're not doing anything fancy though.
Wait, what? Wait. Yeah, one time.
Oh, okay.
So
There's
this
something
line
wrong.
is causing it to render 25 times.
How? What? How?
This
what?
probably. Like if we grab that, right? Okay, let's just keep going, keep debugging. So favorited manga is this. Set favorited manga is that, right? And then once we do those two.
Yep. So basically, you just don't use their code.
Yeah. So, come on. One time.
What?
So
what
their code is like messed up on some level. Okay, so now let's look at their code. We have this, which runs that, and we also have set value, but set value doesn't run, so it technically shouldn't cause that issue.
Use state. Set value does not run. You are correct.
Set stored value.
Well, let's do binary debugging, which is just comment out half the code and try again.
We added this line. Might be that line.
But we're not even running it. Yeah, but yeah, let's get rid of it.
Let's just see if it's even running, yeah?
Yeah, let's get rid of it, yeah.
Okay, let's have a look.
Okay. Not running.
And oh.
Oh, why is it running set value?
Run set value. Trace. Okay. Okay. So it seems like
home.
It is going through pipe arity. Use favorites in Manga 26. Use local storage. So.
Oh, it might be something wrong about hook.
Oh.
Might be set compose. But oh.
Oh. That's running straight away, isn't it? That's running straight away.
Yeah, it is. It is.
But why would it?
Yeah, why would it run straight away? Because we haven't. It's unfavorite manga that's broken, right? It is.
I think so, but okay, so let's try that.
Oh.
Let's do that real quick. And and by the way, if you don't know why we're doing these kinds of empty functions, it's because you generally want to keep the same. Like if it's a function, you want to keep a function so other issues don't pop up in your code. Okay, yeah, that gets rid of the problem. So it seems like that we r.compose, basically it doesn't return a function here. I don't know.
I think that the reason is because yeah, okay. No, this is I think this is wrong because it'll funnel wrong. Yeah, it's wrong. Yeah, because it'll funnel set favorite manga into like you have to do it the same as favorite manga. Yeah, like this same problem. Yeah. Except manga ID.
Return that But you can get rid of this and just do auto filter.
Yeah. 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 Okay, cool.
Okay.
All right. Cool.
And that should solve the problem. So now we should only have a single render.
Yep, so it's us.
Come on. Please. One render. There we go. Okay.
Good.
Cool.
All right. Cool,
So,
cool.
now with that out of the way, we have this code here, which, I mean, honestly, now you probably could even put it back here.
Yeah.
But, whatever, screw it.
Yeah.
So,
It's fine.
I can't click this button. Okay. One. Okay, so then I can click this and theoretically it should add it. So the way that is going to work is we are going to do, yeah, let's try put it back, man. Yeah, let's do that and do that again. Put that here.
I mean, it probably won't complain with one.
No, it won't, because the only reason it complained was because set value was getting run. Like here, set value is not getting run, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Come on.
I see.
One.
I mean, it'll still render like per item on the list, right? But it won't complain.
Yeah, no, it's the same thing. Like at that point, I don't think there's that big of a difference.
Okay. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. So okay, so we do stop propagation, and then we do favorite manga. Manga.id. So let's just see if that works first, and then we can try to do unfavorite as well. So, One Punch Man. Favorites. Ooh. Refresh. One Punch Man.
Okay, we're done.
Done.
Cool.
And now we just need to do the unfavorite.
Yeah,
So,
easy.
there we go. Or do
Fine.
we use R?
We probably don't need to use R here.
Do you want to try it?
Okay, let's try.
So you do R, and then you do r.if-else is manga favorited. Unfavorite manga. Favorite manga.
Yep. And then that's it. And then a manga ID, right? Yeah. And then realistically, you can call that toggle manga or something.
Yeah,
But-
and then you can take that inside of like
Yeah.
here or something. Yeah.
Yeah, if you really want, but can't be bothered.
Okay. One. Piece. Crap.
No!
Broken.
Can I read you first?
Oh.
Gets us every time.
Stupid Ramda. Ramda's bad. Okay.
Cool.
Nah.
Why? What?
Unfavorite manga. Oh.
Oh, misspell.
No, I didn't
Typo.
misspell. I just didn't type it. I never misspell.
Oh,
Okay, there we go.
never misspell.
Never misspell.
But technically, untyping is 100% Nah.
True.
Nah. I'm
Okay.
just trying to.
One. Oh.
Yay! Congrats. Is that one episode?
Nah,
we haven't
nah,
done
that
any.
doesn't
We haven't done
work.
anything.
That one doesn't work, bro.
What?
Yeah. Filter FN is not a function in filter.
Where?
Oh, because we're doing. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay,
you
so
flip.
no, not
What
flip.
is
It's
the
just
problem?
filter takes in a function. I'm passing in a number.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Is that like
Oh.
an exclude or something, or no?
Yeah, there is. There's a reject.
Oh. Wait, what? No.
It also takes in a function. It's-
No,
it just
reject
takes-
is the opposite of filter.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, I mean that's kind of fine. We just do r.is. Is yeah.
It's
No,
fine.
not is equal
Identity equal.
equals.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Please work. Let's see. Alrighty. One. Oh, come on. Oh, I need to remove that, by the way. Yep. Do that as well. I mean, it doesn't seem to be removing it. So.
Is it not removing it?
Oh, is it meant to be not equals? Yeah, it's not equals because it's not equals.
Oh, yeah, because you're filter. Or you can just flip it to reject.
Oh, true. True.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So basically, we reject it if it is equal. Okay.
Yeah.
Probably close that now. One Punch Man, come on. Okay. Okay.
Okay, all right, that was
There we
hard.
go.
Okay. So this is... So this is like not good enough for still usage. This is like the first... Yeah, next video. Yeah.
Why does it deselect? Okay. 1, 2. See?
Oh,
That's not right.
it is not right. Is it because local storage is kind of like asynchronous?
Oh, I think I know why. Is because when we set, like when we do unfavorite manga in one place.
Yeah, because you pass the entire set. Yeah, so it doesn't build on top of each other.
But it should.
No, it won't. It won't because you're doing it makes sense, right? Because when you run the hook on all the list items, you have array. So when you click on one, you're only affecting one instance of the array.
True. That's true.
Yeah. Yeah. So you actually need to pass it from the parent.
Do we just add a context?
Yeah, add context, yeah.
Okay.
Use context, yeah.
Where would you put the context?
I don't know. Where will we put shouldn't the context just be here? Just keep it next to the hook. I mean, would you ever use it without the hook? You basically have to use the context, right? Otherwise,
True.
you're gonna keep running into the same problem.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, this hook's not very useful, man.
Oh, it's actually quite easy to change. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so then what we do is just import from React. Probably need to do that as well.
Yeah, I wouldn't even export the hook anymore, to be honest.
So you wouldn't use the hook? Oh, we don't need the hook then.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't need it.
Yeah, we don't need it. Yeah. Well, yeah. Let's just do the fix first before we delete anything.
Create context, and then export const provider, and you just basically copy all this code, like literally all of it, and paste it in here. And then what you do is instead of doing this, you just do return, what was it? Favorited MC context.provider value is equal to, and you pass all of this in, and then you do children, and then you do that, and then you pass children in here. Okay, so that honestly will work just fine. To do something like that, just do a context directory or something, and just move it in, call it favorited.
Yep. This work?
Yeah, this will work.
Okay.
I think so. So inside of index.jsx, we do okay, so we grab that, import favorited Manga context from #src context. This thing. Oh wait, no, sorry, provider. From that as provider, and then favorited Manga provider we wrap around our app like that, and then we take the context. So we grab this part of this line here. We go into pages here, and we do import this from that. We do this, and we do use context, and we replace use favorited Manga with use context favorited Manga context, and everything should be working just fine. I think that makes sense, right?
Nope.
All right. Well, let's give it a go. Everything seems to be broken, which is just dandy. Refresh. Cannot find what. Oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, dude, that's not right. Try again. Huh?
Oh, because you moved it, yeah.
Did I do that? Oh, sorry. Should have done this. Okay. Come on. Oh my gosh.
Oh no. Unexpected tokens.
No, it's so trippy. This one is because it doesn't render the page.
Oh, right. Okay. So yeah. Your parser's not on. Okay, we'll see how this goes. I have a feeling there's something wrong, but yeah.
Don't doubt your vibe. Have you seen that song Elon Musk produced?
Yeah, I swear I've listened to like 10 hours of it.
Okay. 1, 2. Okay. So it should be like that. And then if I refresh, it should be so first 2 are off, second 2 are on.
Yeah, okay, you're right. It does work.
There we go.
I doubted
It was actually
wrong.
surprisingly easy to
I
do
doubted wrong.
because the syntax is so similar. So,
Because the code is good?
quality code.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Alright.
Okay, I'm surprised. Nice.
Yeah, that's plenty of time. Okay, we're done for today. We added a star in an hour. And
Still not usable though, but yeah.
Nah, it's
Because this just favorites the manga, but I can't get access to my favorited manga
okay. Let's actually
in a list.
before we
Okay.
finish, like
Make
you
it
said,
usable.
no, we gotta make the star yellow.
Yeah. I thought the goal was to make it so that I would use it.
Yeah, that's the goal. But you know, I mean, like the goal since the first episode has been to build a manga reader, and we haven't done that yet either. So
Okay.
I mean, at this stage, I'm half hopeful that we can get it done by Christmas. So
Come on, it's only March, and we're not taking any virus strikes. We're still working through,
Still
even
alive.
though the world is crumbling.
the world is crumbling, but we are still alive, and we are faithful enough to keep producing these episodes. So
For free.
for free as well. Wow.
Yeah, I know.
Wait,
Two-tone.
you can't change the color? No. Style?
Two-tone.
No,
Two-tone.
you're not meant to use two-tone.
Okay.
Because if you use, you have to use filled, but you have to, you have to do what they just did.
Well, you have to use field and you have to do two-tone.
You have to do what did they just do? Like, how did they do that?
Hover. Yeah, how did they do that?
This has the hover effect, right? So hover. Yeah. How do they? Okay. So
color. Oh, it's just color.
Really?
Yeah, it's just color. Oh, because it's a SVG, so it's the text color.
Okay. So that's good then. That's fine.
Yeah.
So then in that case, we can just do
Just inline the damn column. Okay. There's a bubble through icon component.
something like that. Is favorited, yellow, or inherit. Sweet. Okay. Packaging. All right. 1.
Does your icon component bubble through the stuff? What is that? Oh, wow, it's way too yellow. Wait, what's icon component? Why is it bubbling through?
Huh?
Oh, right, okay. It's just a
It's
native
just those
component.
two, yeah,
Fair enough. Okay.
Do this ugly syntax because,
Yeah.
anyways, okay.
Yeah, it's good. I guess. Yeah, it's good enough. I mean, it's a bit like dull, but it's fine.
The whole interface is dull, man.
No, it's not. Oh, yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Hey, the spinner's bigger.
Yeah, I mean, the spin is good. I like it.
Zoom 4, oh my gosh, dude. If you wrote that in production, like, you'd be fired or something, dude. Oh, well.
It's pretty hard to get fired in Australia, but yeah.
That's true. That is true.
You're more likely to get fired for telling them Zoom 4 is dumb.
That is true.
To actually do Zoom 4.
That is actually true because, like, you get fired for HR, like, being a nuisance or whatever.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Okay, guys, continue. What's your outro?
I don't know. You do the outro. I have no outro.
Okay, guys. Well, unfortunately, I'm still not gonna use this thing because I still can't access my favorited manga and I can't see what's been updated.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so I guess next episode I might actually install it.
Yeah.
But I'll do a git pull.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. It means a lot.
You're welcome.
All right.
It's boiling in here, so bye.
Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Till next time. Bye bye.